In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the Payoneer pending payments problem. If you're dealing with pending payments in your Payoneer account, it can be quite frustrating, especially when you're expecting funds to come through. But don't worry, as I'll walk you through the steps to help you resolve this issue. First, let's start by heading over to the Payoneer website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Payoneer URL, or simply clicking a bookmark if you have one set up. Once you're on the home page, you need to log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once logged in, move your attention to the top right of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking on this will give you access to a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. This is where you'll find various account settings that you might need to adjust or update. Now that you're in the Settings section, look out for the Verification Center option. This is a crucial step because many times pending payments can be linked to incomplete verification processes. Once you click on the Verification Center, you'll want to carefully check for any notifications or messages that might indicate missing or pending verifications. It's important to ensure that all the required documents are submitted and approved to avoid any holdups with your payments. After you've checked the Verification Center, the next step is to open your email account that's linked to your Payoneer account. This is because Payoneer often sends important updates or requests for additional information via email. Go through your inbox as well as your spam or junk folder just in case any messages have been misclassified. Look for emails from Payoneer that might require you to take action, such as sending in additional documentation or confirming your details. By following these steps, you should be able to address any issues that might be causing your payments to be pending. It's all about making sure your account is fully verified and that you've responded to any requests from Payoneer. Remember, keeping your contact details and documents up to date is key to ensuring a smooth experience with your Payoneer account. We hope this guide has helped you resolve your pending payment issues. If you continue to experience problems, contacting Payoneer's customer support directly would be a good next step. They can provide more personalized assistance to get your payments processed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.